Hey everyone, welcome to Godspeed. Today, we're diving into one of Saarthi's most powerful features, custom modes. These modes take Saarthi to the next level by letting you customize how the AI behaves based on your workflow. Whether you're adjusting the initial prompt or setting up specific rules, custom modes give you full control over how your AI assistant thinks and works. The best part? They're surprisingly easy to create. Stick with me. I'll walk you through exactly how to set up a custom mode step by step. Let's get started. We shall start on the Saarthi homepage. Click on the icon labeled Select Mode for Interaction and then on Mode Settings. A panel will slide open. In this panel, you can see sections where you can define your custom modes, configure the profile tied to it, and add specific instructions. You can also see some default mode provided by the Saarthi here. But we're here to make our own modes. So, let's click on the Create New Mode option. It is marked by this plus icon right here. A new window will appear. This is where we'll build our custom mode. Here's how it works. First, give your mode a name. Choose something descriptive like React Specialist. Next is the slug. This is a unique ID for the mode, usually in lowercase with hyphens. By default, it matches the mode name, but you can change it if needed. For now, we'll leave it as is. Then, choose how you want to save the mode. You can save it globally, so it's available across all your Saarthi projects. Or make it project-specific if you only want it used in the current project. Next, we define the rules. This is where you tell the AI how it should behave. For example, you can add instructions like always format code like this or flag these types of errors. These rules shape how the mode works, so it's important to be clear and specific. You can also add a short description. This will show up in the mode selector dropdown, so keep it brief and helpful, something that quickly explains what the mode is for. Next is the When to Use field. This helps guide Saarthi on when to activate this mode. It's optional, but useful, especially when the orchestrator is deciding which mode fits a task best. Just describe the kind of work this mode is meant for. After that, choose the tools you want this mode to use. These tools allow the mode to perform certain actions, like read files, edit files, use browser, run commands, use MCP. Finally, we can add specific instructions for this mode itself. You should tailor it to your project's needs. However, this is an optional step. Feel free to experiment with this if you want. Once you've got everything set, hit Create Mode and it's done. Your custom mode is ready to be used. You can also find custom modes created by the Godspeed ready to import into your workflow. Just check out our docs on the Godspeed website. Go to the Features section, click on Customizing Modes, and find the mode that you need. The modes listed here are well tested by multiple users and have been proven effective. You can simply copy these modes with the help of the copy button here and paste the content is JSON mode by clicking this curly bracket option. And you're done. If you like this deep dive, give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring that notification bell for more tips from us officially. Got questions about custom modes or ideas for how to use them? Drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.